Exercise 5.2, question number 15. For what value of n are the nth term of two APs? 63, 65, 67 and so on. And 3, 10, 17 and so on. Both are equal. Okay, now two APs, let's say one AP is AN, other AP is BN. What is given? First term is 63. Clear? Second term is given 65. Then what will be the common difference? D is equal to second term minus first term. 65 minus 63, that is 2. Nth term we have to find. And for Bn, second your AB, 3, 10, 17. First term is B, let's say first term is B, B is 3. D is what? Second term minus first term. Second term is 10, first term is 3. That is 10 minus 3 is 7. Nth term we have to find. But what is given in question, just you see. You have given nth term of two APs are equal. Okay. It means AN is equal to BN. What is AN? A plus n minus 1 B. What is A plus n minus 1? B is what here? 2. What is Bn? B plus n minus 1. N minus 1. What is D? It is 7. Then what will come? 63 plus 2n minus 2. By distributive property again. Here C plus, again I am using distributive property C. 7n minus 7. What will come? 63 minus 2, 61 plus 2n. Here 7n minus 7 plus 3. This will become minus 4. See here, this is minus 4. What I am doing now? I am sending 2n there. And 61 is as it is, sending plus 4. 61 plus 4, that is your 65. 7n minus 2n, this is 5. Now come. Then what will come? 65 upon 5, that is equal to n. 5 under 5, 5 under 5, 5 is a 50. Then what is your answer? N is equal to 13. This is your exercise 5.2, question number 16. Determine the AP, means you have to find AP, whose third term is 16. Third term is 16, what is the meaning? A3 is equal to 16. And seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Not got. See again. Seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. It means difference between seventh term and fifth term is 12. It means what can I write? Seventh term is this, fifth term is A5, this is 12. And what is this? This is given to you. What you have to find out? You have to find AP. Okay. Now see, A3 means what? A plus n minus 1D I am using. So what will be A plus n minus 1? What is n here? 3. So 3 minus 1 is what? 2. D is equal to 60. So I am writing 3 minus 1 is 2 here. This is equation number 1. Now see the second one. A7, now I am writing directly. A7 means A plus 6D. A5 means A plus 4D. See, I am writing A plus 6D, A plus 4D is equal to 12. Now I am removing the brackets. Minus A minus 4D is equal to 12. This to this cut. 6D minus 4D is 2D is equal to 12. Then D is equal to 12 upon 2. I can say 6. Okay. D is 6 here. Put value of D here in first. By first. A plus 2D is equal to 16. Put value of D here. A plus 2 into 6 is equal to 16. So A will be 16 minus 12. I can say A is 4. Isn't it? Now I got the value A and D. But what I have to find? I have to find AP. Then what is the general formula of AP? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. Now see. AP will be A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. What is A? A is your 4. 4 plus what is D? D 6. A 4. 2 into D. 6 to the 12. A is 4. 3 into D. 6 3 the 18. So what is AP? 4, 10, 16, 22. This is your question number 7. Find the 20th term from the last term of AP. AP is given 3, 8, 13, 253. Okay, from that we have to get 20th term. Okay, this is very important question for examination point of view. What is given? AP is given to you 3, 8, 13, 253. What is A is term? See clearly. What is D? D is second term minus first term. 8 minus 3 is 5. What L is? L is last term 253. And from back which term we have to find? 28th term. It means N is equal to 20. We have to find 20th term from back. Okay, then what will be the formula? L minus N minus 1 D. L minus N minus 1 D. What is L? 253. N 20 minus 1 D is 5. That is 253 minus 19 into 5. 253 minus 19, 5 is 95. If you subtract it, you will get 158. This is your answer. Exercise 5.2, question number 18. The sum of 4 and 8 terms of an AP is 24. It is given to you. We have to give one sum. Sum of 4th term and 8th term. It is given to you 24. And sum of 6th and 10th terms is 44. What you have to find? You have to find the first 3 terms. Okay, now I am writing what is given. Writing given here. Okay, sum of 4th term and 8th term is 24. Sum of 6th term and 10th term. Sum of 6th term and 10th term is 44. Clear? This is given in the question. What you have to find out? You have to find other 3 terms. Other 3 terms. Okay, now find, we will get one equation from here, another equation from here. Okay, I am drawing one line. A4 means what? This is A plus 3D. A8 means what? A plus 7D. Okay, A4 means what? A plus 3D. A8 means what? A plus 7D. It is 24. Clear? Now A plus A. A is here and A is here. This is coming 2A. And 7D plus 3D. That is 10D is equal to 24. You can take out 2 common. A plus 5D is equal to 24. 24. When you divide it, you will get 24 upon 2. You will get 12. This is equation number 1. Okay. Now come on for equation number 2. A6 is here. A6 means what? A plus 5D. Now you tell me what will be A10. Think it. What will be A10? A10 will be A plus, yes, 9D. Come on. A plus 9D. It is given to you 44. Again A plus 8, 2A. Write fast. 2A. 9D plus 5D is 14D is equal to 44. Clear? Now again we will take common 2. Easily we are taking here common 2. A plus 7D is equal to 44. If we divide 2 here, then what will be the last equation? 44 upon 2, this is 22, equation number 2. Now by equation 1 and 2, by elimination method, A plus 5D is equal to 12, A plus 7D is equal to 22. I am changing the sign. Okay, now see, A to A cut, this is minus 7D plus 5D, minus 7D plus 5D, 7 is greater, then minus sign will come. Okay, always take greater number sign, always respect your elders. This is bigger number, we are respecting here. This is minus 2D, here is again minus 22 plus 12, this is your minus 10. D is equal to 10 upon 2. This is 5. Okay, D is 5 coming. Now put value of D in equation number 1. But first what we can write? A plus 5D. 5, D is also 5. That is 12. A plus 25 is equal to 12. Then A is equal to 12 minus 25, this is minus 13. Now come, see, we have to find other 3 terms. What will be the 3 terms? A plus B, A plus 2B. Okay, what is A? A is clearly minus 13. This is minus 13. So minus 13 is A. Minus 13 plus D. D is what? 5. Minus 13 plus 2D. 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is 10. Now come. Minus 13. This is minus A. This is your minus 3. These are 3 terms. These are also in AP. And this is your answer. Exercise 5.2, question number 19. Subbarao started work in 1995 at annual salary of rupees 5,000. Okay, and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. Annual salary means I can say A is given to you 5,000. Increment means D. D is how much? Rupees 200. In which year did he has income reach at rupees 7,000? Okay, so L is given to you rupees 7,000. Okay, you have to find N and convert this in year. Okay, now then what we know, L is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. L is what? 7,000. Very clear? A is clearly 5,000 here. Plus N minus 1. What is D? D is 200. Okay, then 7,000 minus 5,000 is equal to N minus 1 into 200. This is your 2,000 upon 200 N minus. Clear? Now 2 zeros to 2 0 cut. I am cutting this 0 to this 0, this 0 to this 0. 2 1 are 2, 2 10s are 20. Here is 10. 1 is coming here. This is, then what is n is equal to 11. This is your saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year, and then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly savings become rupees 20.75, find value of n. Okay, it is very simple now. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year. First week means A is given to you. A is equal to rupees 5. Okay. Now what is given? Then increase her weekly savings. Saving increase, it means difference is given to you. D is given to you. Common difference is given to you. This is D. 1.75. Okay. Nth week, you have to find n. Number of weeks you have to find out n. And what is her weekly income becomes rupees 20.75, means L is given to you last term. This is in rupees. Okay. Now what will be the formula of last term? L is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. L is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. What is L? This. What is A? Is 5. N minus 1. What is D? Is 1.75. Okay, send there. 5 I am sending that side. This is 20.75 minus 5. 1.75. This is 15.75. This is 1.75 n minus 1.75. Getting? Now see. 15.75 cent plus 1.75. This is 1.75. So what will come here? 5 plus 5 is 10. 1. 7 plus 7, 14 and 1, 15, 1. 5 plus 2 is 7. 17.50, 1.75. Now see. 17.50 upon 1.75 is equal to n. If I remove from numerator 100 down, this is 100, this to this cut. 175 under 175, 175 times the 1750. So n is equal to 10.